So to attach the twig to the fabric, we've already used glue, but what we want to do is also embroider around it because it has a really nice look to the necklace, and then it also just creates a firmer hold for the twig. So sometimes glue detaches a little bit, but if you've embroidered it, it's really going to stay on there. So we're going to embroider both ends of this twig, and that way it'll make sure that it really stays. Okay, now we want to tie off the back, and I just simply make 1 or 2 knots on the back of the fabric, and that way all of our embroidery will be secure. For a more interesting look, what I like to do is take a lighter shade of brown and also embroider around the twig. It just looks better and adds a little bit more interest and just makes it look more like a rope.